How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are able to hear me now. I didn't have the cord connected this whole time, so. But anyways, I'm halfway home from Salinas. I flew down to Salinas today. Yeah, I flew to Salinas. It wasn't that bad.
Sierra current Monterey, Bravo current Oakland. FedEx 540 Heavy, contact approach 120.1.
So yeah, hopefully everybody's enjoying the flight today, you know. I am using flight following. I haven't used flight following in a while. I'm a little rusty, but it's okay, you know.
November 1940 Foxtrot, contact approach 120.1.
120.1, November 40 Foxtrot, thank you.
Okay.
NorCal Cessna, November 1940 Foxtrot, 6,500.
November 1940 Foxtrot, NorCal approach, Roger, San Jose, Altimeter 29904.
29904, thank you.
Number 1940 Foxtrot, turn left heading 310 vectors for traffic.
310 vectors for traffic, number 140 Foxtrot.
Number 2060 Delta, contact Palo Alto Tower 118.6.
Order Tower 206 up.
Yeah. Number 40 Foxtrot, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, November 40 Foxtrot, thank you.
FedEx 540 Heavy, contact San Jose Tower 124.0.
124.0, FedEx 540 Heavy, good day.
Yep.
So yeah, it's a little boring when I'm by myself, but it's okay, you know. Oh, it's boring to you guys. I'm not bored at all. You guys know what I mean. I'm about 30 nautical miles away from, well, 15 minutes or so. Yep. A good flight so far, I think, you know. Good. I've been doing pretty good so far. I've been doing good so far. I gotta look out for traffic here, even though I got flight following doing that for me, so it's okay. Could also do something, right? San Jose Airport is right there to my left. This is not a sponsor, by the way. Probably the best drink to have in your fridge.
NorCal approach, wingspan 27 to 10,000, descending 8,000, direct AMBA be with Mike.
Wingspan 27 NorCal approach, Roger, San Jose Altimeter 29904.
29904, wingspan 27.
November 40 Foxtrot, contact approach 121.3.
121.3, November 1940 Foxtrot, thank you.
Good see it.
NorCal Cessna, November 1940 Foxtrot, it's at 6,500.
For 190, correction, 1940 Foxtrot, NorCal approach, hello, San Jose Altimeter 29904.
Hey, how you doing? 29904, thank you.
I'm good, man, how you doing?
Doing good, man, just enjoying flying. Oh, that's the first time. Yeah, you see guys, I'm a brand new pilot, you know, I'm just trying to learn as I go, experience stuff like this, using flight following. So yeah, dude, so far I freaking love it. Alright, so plan ahead, I'm gonna land at 4, so I'm just gonna dial into ATIS and monitor it right here on this. Enter.
2.9er, altimeter 29901. ILS approaching use, landing and departing runway 25 right and 25 left. Bird advisories are in effect. Advise on initial contact, you have Zulu.
Zulu?
We have more tower information, Zulu.
Oh, we got
235
Zulu.
Zulu. Wind 270 at 11.
270 at 11. Not bad. Had actually a good day flying today, you know. I enjoyed flight to Salinas. Also, guys, I wanted to bring this up. I did put a video for a giveaway on my last video, so go and check that out if you guys want to hopefully get a chance to win a snap-on socket set. Guys, I'll be choosing a winner once I get 200 subscribers, so.
NorCal has 3998 with you, 700, landing via the
Yeah.
Yankee 3, only maintain 5,000.
Make sure to tune into that video.
Departure. Radar contact.
NorCal departure, 2740, Tango out of 500 for 3,000.
Tango, NorCal departure, radar contact. This guy was 3998. Climb and maintain, I'm sorry, Southwest 3998. Climb and maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain 15,000, Southwest 3998.
November 40 Foxtrot, contact approach 125.35.
Landing and departing, runway 25 right and 25 left. Port advisories are in effect. Advise on
November 2740 Tango, climb and maintain 3,000, sounds the altimeter 29904.
994, 3040 Tango.
November 1940 Foxtrot, contact approach 125.35.
125.35, November 1940 Foxtrot, thank you.
runway 25. Port advisories are in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have Zulu.
940 Foxtrot, NorCal.
Cal Cessna, November 1940 Foxtrot, 6,500.
November 1940 Foxtrot, NorCal approach. Roger, started VFR descent, outer below 4,500 for traffic. Oakland altimeter 29907.
29907, I'll be starting my descent 4,500.
November 70 Charlie, contact approach 120.9er, good day.
120.9er, good day, 1570 Charlie.
Back Valley 7704, traffic at your 10 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, 6,500, descending for 4,500, landing Livermore and Cessna.
Looking for that traffic, Pack Valley 7704.
Okay, turn right direct boomerang.
Right, direct boomerang, Southwest 3998.
2353 Zulu. Wind 270 at 11. Visibility 10. Clear. Temperature 28, 2.9er. Altimeter 29901. ILS approaching you. Landing and departing, runway 25 right and 25 left. Port advisories are in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have Zulu. Livermore Tower Information Zulu. 2353 Zulu. Wind. Visibility 10. Clear.
November 40 Foxtrot, traffic 2 o'clock, 3.5 miles, northwest bound, 6,000, Cessna Caravan.
Looking for traffic, November 1940 Foxtrot. NorCal, November 1940 Foxtrot, traffic is in flight.
November 40 Foxtrot, roger. Pack Valley 7704, descend and maintain 5,500.
5,500, Pack Valley 7704.
Actually, Pack Valley 7704, go ahead and descend and maintain 5,000 now. Traffic no factor.
All right, down to 5,000, 7704.
November 40 Foxtrot, traffic at your 9 to 10 o'clock and 3 miles orbiting there. Currently north, actually it looks like they're turning back southbound now. They're at 1,800. Contact Livermore Tower, 118.1, good day.
118.1, good day. I'll be looking for traffic, November 1940 Foxtrot. Thank you. Good day. Livermore Tower, Cessna, November 1940 Foxtrot, about 8 miles south, inbound for landing Zulu.
Cessna 1940 Foxtrot, Livermore Tower, enter left base, runway 25 left.
Enter left base for 25 left, November 1940 Foxtrot.
Time is 5 Lima Alpha, base turn approved. There will be 1 aircraft departing prior to arrival.
Sending base 5 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 95860, right close traffic approved. All Grumman upwind, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, 860.
Alright, I got the airport in sight, I got the ATIS in sight, I think we're looking so far. Landing checklist.
Papa Alpha Squawk VFR, runway 25.
Pictures rich,
Clear for the option.
seatbelts on, RV on.
Clear for the option, 916 Papa Alpha.
Cessna 40 Foxtrot, number 2, following Archer, midfield downwind, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, following the airplane on downwind. 1940 Foxtrot.
Cessna 76 Echo, 11 altimeter 29901, frequency change approved, good day.
29991 for 76 Echo, frequency change approved, thanks.
Alright.
Yeah, 26 Bravo's downwind.
Grumman 26 Bravo, your number 2, follow traffic on a 1.5 mile, final at Diamond, runway 25 right, clear for the option.
Okay, clear for the option behind the Diamond. It'll see a full stop for Grumman 4526 Bravo, thanks.
Grumman 26 Bravo, roger, full stop.
Lima Towers 35, 5 Lima Alpha is clear for the option on 25 right.
I'm at 5 Lima Alpha, affirmative, runway 25 right, clear for the option, wind 28013, on the go, make a right, close traffic.
On the go, make right close traffic, Diamond Star 5 Lima Alpha.
Start lining up here, for the left,
Cessna 40 Foxtrot, Archer traffic, left base to final.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 940 Foxtrot. Traffic inside 940 Foxtrot. More tower, November 95860, where's the traffic to follow?
Cessna 860, traffic to follow is short final.
860.
Time at 5 Lima Alpha, number 3, follow traffic wide right downwind to base, runway 25 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, number 3 for 25 right, 865 Lima Alpha.
Grumman 26 Bravo, you north hangers or south hangers?
Oh, south hangers, please.
Grumman 26 Bravo, roger, cross runway 25 left at Charlie, then contact ground point 6 on the south side.
Okay, crossing 25 left, no contact, ground on the south side. Thanks for the help, 26 Bravo.
Archer 6 Papa Alpha, number 2, follow Cessna left base, runway 25 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 25 right, 916 Papa, sorry. Clear for the option, 91. Clear for the option, 25 left, 916 Papa Alpha, and we're looking for traffic.
Livermore Tower, pit 62 Papa Sierra is over Altamont Pass out at 6,500, like the overhead was Zulu.
Pit 62 Papa Sierra, Livermore Tower, pattern altitude, your discretion, right turns, report a 4 mile initial.
I call you 4 mile initial, 25 right, I'll see my discretion, 2 Papa Sierra.
Pitch 2 Papa Sierra, would you like a low approach or are you going to pattern altitude break?
Take a low approach, 2 Papa Sierra.
Pitch 2 Papa Sierra, roger.
Livermore Tower for 770 Charlie Unit, we're on the ILS 25 right, we'll be parking at 5 first.
Remember 770 Charlie, Livermore Tower, runway 25 right, continue.
Continuing 0 Charlie.
Livermore Tower, Cessna 2173 Zulu, holding short 25 right, requesting right downwind departure.
Cessna 2173 Zulu, Livermore Tower, hold short, runway 25 right.
Hold short 25 right, 73 Zulu.